What is the best way to remove accents, normalize, in a Python Unicode string? I have a Unicode string in Python, and I would like to remove all the accents, diacritics. I found on the web an elegant way to do this, in Java. Convert the Unicode string to its long normalized form, with a separate character for letters and diacritics. Remove all the characters whose Unicode type is diacritic. Do I need to install a library such as Pyco, or is this possible with just the Python standard library? And what about Python 3? Important note, I would like to avoid code with an explicit mapping from accented characters to their non-accented counterpart.
I just found this answer on the web. It works fine for French, for example, but I think the second step, removing the accents, could be handled better than dropping the non-ASCII characters, because this will fail for some languages, Greek, for example. The best solution would probably be to explicitly remove the Unicode characters that are tagged as being diacritics. Edit, this does the trick. Unicode data.combining C will return true if the character C can be combined with the preceding character, that is mainly if it's a diacritic. Edit 2, remove underscore accents expects a Unicode string, not a byte string. If you have a byte string, then you must decode it into a Unicode string like this.
How about this? This works on Greek letters, too. The character category, MN, stands for non-spacing underscore mark, which is similar to Unicode editor.combining in Miniquark's answer. I didn't think of Unicode editor.combining, but it is probably the better solution, because it's more explicit. And keep in mind, these manipulations may significantly alter the meaning of the text. Accents, umlauts etc. are not decoration.
Unicode is the correct answer for this. It transliterates any Unicode string into the closest possible representation in ASCII text. Example.
This handles not only accents, but also strokes, as in O, etc. This is the most elegant way I can think of, and it has been mentioned by Alexis in a comment on this page, although I don't think it is very elegant indeed. In fact, it's more of a hack, as pointed out in comments, since Unicode names are really just names, they give no guarantee to be consistent or anything. There are still special letters that are not handled by this, such as tan and inverted letters, since their Unicode name does not contain with. It depends on what you want to do anyway. I sometimes needed accent stripping for achieving dictionary sort order. Edit note. Incorporated suggestions from the comments, handling lookup errors, Python 3 code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.